Panopto Express is a free, easy way to record your screen and webcam. Step 1. Open Panopto Express in your browser. Step 2. Select the screen or screens that you want to record. Select the screen, application window, or browser tab you want to record. If recording a meeting, you can also check Share Audio to record what everyone else is saying. Then click Share. Step 3. Confirm the audio source for your recording. To record your narration, click the microphone icon and confirm the default communication device selected is the one you want to use to capture your voice. Step 4. Add a webcam video to your screen recording. To capture a video of yourself presenting or to add any other video to your recording, click the video camera icon and select the video feed or feeds that you want to capture. Step 5. Press the record button and begin presenting. With Panopto Express, screen recording is as easy as clicking a link, choosing the sources you want to capture, and pressing record. After you've completed your recording, you can download the video, share it using YouTube or Google Classroom, or use your free Panopto Basic account to share it securely. With Panopto, you can record yourself and your screen as often as you want for as long as you want, with no sign-ups or downloads required. Visit Panopto.com and hit record to get started now.